Hello everyone, this is Glitch. Okay, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Ulanzi ST-01 folding metal phone tripod mount clamp holder blanket. That is what it mentioned. It's here written made in China, patent product, designed by Ulanzi. Okay, so I bought the red version. It comes in red and black. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Oh, ta-da! So basically there is no menu, there's no nothing. I guess it's straightforward. Okay. So this item feel very solid. Okay. Very solid item. Okay. So to open it up, you just basically the bottom is just turn it. So it's very tight. This is a very tight item. So there's no screws or anything. I mean there's no tightening screws or anything here. So this item is very tight. Okay. To flip the top, okay, that's one hand. Okay, that's another one. This looks like a transformer to me. Okay, so to release it, so let's see what's the maximum it can release. Or see, so if you maximize it, screw it out everything, okay, it just basically comes out. So it's quite a straightforward design. Two supporting rods, and the middle portion is just a screw. The screw itself cannot be removed, so you don't need to worry about anything lost. So basically, let's say put this back in. So when I purchased this, I was quite concerned how big it is, because on my phones, I have all of them I have installed with phone protective cover. Okay, so for your info, okay, so this is a normal Samsung S7 phone. This is basically my spare phone and for some of the demos. Okay, so for phones like this, you can see it's just quite okay. Okay, it's still not so bad. One thing we have to worry about is actually the phone casing. So if I place this phone casing in this phone casing, okay, so it will thicken it up. Okay, so if the phone casing is too big, this holder wise, some holders will have problems. Okay, I face problems with others. So this one don't seems to be a problem. Okay, and one thing is the phone itself, you can have a big one. I don't think a tablet will be able to place it in, but Note wise no issue. Samsung S20 no issue. Samsung S21 also no issue. Let's have a quick measurement of this item. What's basically now it's just with minimum, just like how many threads? 1, 2, 3. Let's put it to 1. Okay. What's the width of this? What's the maximum it can go? Okay, so if we put it as this guy, you can put a phone when horizontally. Okay, it can go up to 10 cm. Let's see. Well, you can go up to 11.3 cm. 11.3 cm. Okay, so 11.3 is quite big. So if you're thinking of buying this mount and placing a phone itself, make sure your phone, this width is not more than 11.3. So take note of that. Okay, how about this thickness? Okay, so this one, if we say this guy is about 1.3 or so, so maximum 1.3. Okay, so take note, if your phone thickness wise is more than this thickness, okay, it's more than 1.3, you cannot use this mount. Okay, but for my case, no issue. Okay, so 1.3, and here is, I'll say that again, 11.3. Okay, so take note. So why did I buy this mount? Okay, so the main reason why I buy this mount is because it mentioned that it can fix a cold shoe mount here. Okay, so let's see if I secure this phone in, what happened. So ta-da, looks very secure, won't even budge. Okay, yeah, because it's the rubber itself is moving. Apply quite a lot of force here. Okay, so it's quite tight. It's very tight, I would say. Okay, that's with the casing itself. Let's remove the case. just the phone itself. Secure it. Take note, when you're securing, make sure you're not pressing onto the buttons. Okay, that's a mistake which I did. So if it's secured down, well, it's very tight. Okay, there's some movement, but still okay. Okay, so quite nice. Okay, so releasing it. Okay, so the pad wise is like this. Can you see the pad? It doesn't cover the whole thing. Okay, it just covers part of it. But this double-sided tape, double-sided to it also, quite nicely done. Okay, so as I was saying, I purchased this because I want to fix something on top. Okay, so basically why I need to buy this. I bought this so that I can fix this, the cold shoe mount, because I'm going to mount the mic onto this. So this one, put it in. Oh, okay, so there's a problem right here. Okay, this tightening knot itself is kind of blocking this. Okay, so yeah, so if I'm going to tighten this down, okay, so tighten it down. Okay, so you can see from the side, okay, some part of the item, part of the horseshoe mount, this portion is protruding out. Okay, I'll say this, where my ruler ends here, that's where the horseshoe mount is. Okay, the square box is not fully inside because this screwing mechanism, okay, this screw is blocking this. Okay, this locking mechanism for the holder is blocking this from going in all the way. Okay, so that's the issue. Okay, so you might be thinking, did I make a mistake? It's supposed to be opposite way around. No, reason is the bottom portion is not designed to be holding anything. So see, there's no holding brackets here, holding mounts here for the cold shoe mount, and this portion is supposed to be mounted to your holder. I mean the mount. Okay, your phone mount. So this is the best I can do for now. Okay, so this is secure. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, so camera mount. Okay. Okay. Then my Boya BYMM1 Plus. So mount it in. Okay, some force needed. Okay, can hurt my hand here. Okay, so this will be my vlogging setup. Ta-da! And of course the cable itself. Okay, so okay, except for this portion, I didn't lock it down. Most probably getting a better mount for this, but see, it's very secure. You're hearing the kinking sound, is basically me using this to hit this portion. Okay. It's very secure, so it's rather a good buy. I saw that some other YouTubers, they are promoting this particular model also. Okay, so I would say this is good buy, and one thing is made of metal, so I can always use this for my other setup. Okay, and most importantly, this is, I can make it flat for easy storage. Okay, let me show you. So remove the mic, remove this. Okay, so most holders wise will be, you have to start in this and you have to put inside your bags or whatever. Okay, but not for this. This you can just transform it back down, shift it back down, and ta-da, it's flat itself, very easy. Okay, so this is metal. I'm not sure it's aluminum or what. Let me check it out. This is CNC aluminum alloy metal body, so it's very durable. Okay, so it mentioned on the website that it says the weight itself is 80 gram. Let's see. Is it really 80 gram? Let's weigh it up. Okay, 0. Let's weigh it. Hey, it's less than 80, so it's about 79. Okay. Let's 0 it. 76. 76. Okay, it's definitely less than 80 gram, so it's a good buy. So this is the Ulanzi ST-01. Good buy. Okay, so that's all for now for this review. Hope you like it. Any comments, please write it down in the comment section. If you like this video and it helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future reviews and unboxing. See ya.